She was a poetry written by God Himself, and I was the reader, falling for every line. Saturday, May 23rd. The pace changed fast this time. Usually, it takes longer before the drawing starts pushing back. This one doesn't wait. A few marks in, and the expression is already starting through the unfinished parts, like it knows exactly what's doing